So we know that's all that came out there, out of the engine. So, and God, wearing it, man, Jesus. So, Kearney's Auto Solutions t-shirt, ruined. So that's for the bin. That's now an oil rag for that floor. I will find something else to go home in, or I'll wrap myself in blue roll and drive home. So, here's where all the oil went to, guys. Oh, Jesus Christ, that is a lot of oil, man. That is a lot of oil. That has just turned into a pump. That is what that engine has turned into. It's just basically a pump now. So, we'll get this drained tonight. Jesus. We'll get all the pipes off it. Jesus, man. That is severe, isn't it? That is severe. So, Automotech oil drainer's doing its job there. We'll need to get that pipe off and that intercooler. Well, I'm not going to put any more clothes on to get that out of there, to be honest with you. So, there's where all the oils went for the engine. It's in the intercooler. So, fingers crossed, guys. Fingers crossed that this engine's going to be okay. It should be, to be honest with you. It should be. Should be once we get all of that oil out of the intercooler and fresh oil and filter in the engine. We'll get the 6 litres that the thing takes, and that's Jesus, man. That's where your 6 litres of oil's went on it. It's all in there. So I'll need to get this floor all cleaned up now. Get the floor all cleaned up. That'll let that drain away. Well, so that's actually coming out the intercooler. That is coming out the intercooler now. So the intercooler that's how full that is. So look at the way the pipes pointing up the way. So fill up, Surprised that didn't just go bang. What happened was the customer says that it kind of went into like a limp home mode, a loud squealing noise, and then that was the loud squealing noise, that was the turbo going. So it kept going, and it kept going, and eventually it just came to a stop. So, come to a stop, and then that's all she wrote. So it's come here on the truck, and hopefully we'll get this fixed, but definitely a lot of oil went through there, innit? So, not so good. It's not so good. So, maybe need some more covers off this to get some of the things in there. Hopefully we can get it off for the top, but we'll need to get a bucket underneath that and get the ramp down, I think, and start getting bits off it and get the intercooler out and get that turned upside down. Get it filled up with some brake cleaner or something like that as well. Try and get all the residue or the oil out it. Try and get all it out. Otherwise, this is an automatic cam as well. If this thing runs away with itself, it's walk away until the engine gives up, I'm afraid. So we will need to make sure that that's all emptied out properly. Spotless, clean. And then there's no way that it can do that with the new turbo on it. So the new turbo should only be compressing air. That turbo's only been pumping oil, by the looks of it. So the new turbo, nice new turbine on it. Get that intercooler all cleaned out, and hopefully it's going to be okay. But what a mess, man! What a mess! I was not expecting it to be that full, to be honest with you. I was not expecting it to be that full. But that's where the kind of 6 litres of oil went to. So fingers crossed on this engine, guys, on this nice 5 Series. It is a nice car, to be honest with you. They are nice looking automobiles. The ultimate driving machine, BMW call them. So they do call these ultimate driving machine 3 Series, 5 Series. They have been good over the years, guys, haven't they? Let's face it. They know what they're doing. BMW stood the test of time. Good bikes as well, good motorbikes on BMWs. So, but no, not into motorsport much these days. I don't think. Don't do much motorsport, but certainly Mercedes are winning every Sunday and selling them every Monday. So, well, I suppose Honda's, Red Bull, making a comeback lately. I know that Honda, they know what they're doing, Honda. So, yep, we like the Hondas, we do, we really do, we really like the Hondas. So we're going to get that intercooler off now and get it all cleaned out.